Today I'll be teaching you guys out how to hard reset your iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So what you're going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. This will prompt your phone to turn off and turn back on. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns off and turns on. If you guys still need any help on how to hard reset or any iPhone videos, just comment down below or message me on Instagram. You could also check out my playlist that I have on tons of iPhone videos that will help you out. As you guys can see there, I kind of messed up and I continue to hold the lock button and the phone turned back off again. There you guys go. Your phone has been hard resetted. Drop a sub. Enjoy. Peace.